Okay, gonna try this again. So this is each magazine, 3 rounds XM193 and then 3 rounds Winchester Ranger. This is an 11.5 with an A2 muzzle device.
How many rounds?
Be 6 total.
Okay.
Go for it. Clear. What was that way? Top 3 are XM193, bottom 3 are Winchester Ranger.
What is on that?
That's
A2.
11.5 with an A2. Okay. Next one. This will be. No,
yeah,
different gun. Sorry, we didn't rehearse this, and I do intend on putting this public, so. Okay.
I'm just curious.
Yep.
Might as well know what I'm seeing.
Yep.
Which can?
This is a Omega with a 5.56 cap on a 10.3. Hey, go for it. Yeah, that was really nice.
Beautiful looking fireball.
So next one. Mag.
These?
Yep, any of them. That is an AAC 5.56 SD on a 10.3. Huge difference.
That was a huge difference.
This is a AAC Mini-4 on a 10.3.
Clear?
Yep. Yeah, that was a lot of flash. To be expected.
A lot of flash. You blind yet? Yeah.
Okay, see that one. Set this one up in a different thing here.
Omega by far was the best and the best sounding too.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get my finger in there.
I need to pick up my Form 1 can this week. That'd be nice.
Yeah, that'll be super. The mall doesn't leave a lot of room to get to that. Okay.
Are you recording right now or are you?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay.
This is an M14000. M14000 on a 10.3. That was impressive.
That last one was almost no flash.
Yeah, the last 3. Yeah, so the
first
Ranger has flash retardant in it.
The first one was noticeable. After that, it dwindled, and then that last one, almost no flash.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna do the other gun. This will be easier.
That one might have been the best so far. The Omega sounded, well, I don't know. That sounded the best suppressed. The Omega had the best kind of ring to it.
Yeah. So we got some other stuff here. This is a 762 SDN6.
That's what did you say?
762 SDN6.
Who
It's
makes
a 30
that?
caliber can, AAC.
It is an AC.
Yeah. 762 SDN6 on a 10.3.
Clear?
Yep. Okay. Next one is going to be. I'll take that can off.
So far, this is a no-brainer. Two options.
Oh yeah. So this is with a AAC blackout muzzle device on it. That was very effective.
That's actually a pretty
Very effective, even with the XM193. That was super effective.
That was less than with the can on.
Yeah.
Like quite a bit.
And then let's go ahead and do this one.